How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I want to do a catch and cook for you guys. I don't know, man. I don't know what's planned, but let's just do it. Let's go catch some white bass. I've always wanted to do this simple cooking technique for you guys. My brother was like, hey dude, this spot's hitting, go catch them, blah blah. And I'm like, you know what, let's go make it happen. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out in the water. Birds are chirping. Let's get out there. Let's cast here real quick. See if there's anything here. Water looks a bit dirty-ish. I don't know if there's anything here, man. We're gonna find out, right? We will find out. Oh, whoa. I got hit. My tail's gone. Bro. I got hit. I was not paying attention. Oh, and it's all in my bag. Oh no, it's right here. Dude, just got smacked. Hey guys, I just got wrecked. I'm using the Labby 2.0 here by Bulge Baits. Just got absolutely smoked. I was not paying attention. Jeez. What a hard hit too. Probably small. Oh, dude, I got hit again. What? It's gotta be a smallie, man. It's gotta be. Alright, come on. Just gotta get him to commit. Is it a smallie or a bluegill? Dang, where is it? I don't know what it is. Got him. There we go. Oh, it's a white bass, dude. Nice white bass. Jeez. Yep, nice white bass. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, that is a tanker right there, guys. On the Labby 2.0. Nice white bass. Oh, jeez. Accidentally let him go. I was just trying to wash him. Whoa, that's a tank. That's a really nice white bass. Look at that, Labby 2.0 gone. So they should be eating it. Alright. Put them on the stringer. We'll keep a few. Because, who knows how long this white bass run is going to happen. I definitely want to keep at least 5. Nice. Dude, I got hit 3 times, and the third commitment was a big one, so that's awesome. That's a nice white bass too. Beautiful white bass. Got another one. Yep. Smaller one. Jeez, such a runner. Oh, and it popped off. Nice. It's all good. It popped off. Okay, so they are here. That's awesome. Wow, I didn't think they were going to be here. Why are they here? That's the question. Like, why are they here? Huh. So weird, dude. I mean, I do see a ton of baitfish here. Still. Again, guys, I'm using 4-pound tests, 6-pound leader. Yep. Oh, jeez. Double cast. Got him. Yep. It's a white bass. There we go. That's a fighter right there. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Bro, they're all really big. Holy cow. That's a nice white bass, dude. Yeah. On that swing bait again. They are chomping. Look at this. Chomping on that little Lavy 2.0. Crazy. They just can't resist it, you know? It's insane. They're big too. Beautiful size white bass. Damn suckers moved in. See them surfacing now. Way out there. Oh yeah, it's coming down. Let's go, guys. I think this is it. This is it right here. Let's go. Alright, so now that we're home, let's get the grill ready. So I don't need too much charcoal, but yeah, so far, gonna let that soak. I'm gonna go wash the fish and dry it, and then I'll see you guys upstairs. Well, we got the fire started. Just gonna let it burn, you know. Let it burn and just let it heat up till it's nice and gray, you know, whitish. It's really hot. And then I'm gonna wrap up the white bass. I'm gonna show you guys that process in a bit here. Real easy. It's not hard at all. So, but as of right now, I'm just gonna finish up on the pepper and yeah, get to it. Just depends how soft you want it. If you want it really soft, then just keep going. If you want chunks of it, then just this should be good enough. But I kind of want it a little softer. Just for future use too, you know, when I eat like chicken and stuff or steak. Get this stuff situated here. Here's the white bass. All right, take the phone out so nothing's blocking me. But it's the 2 white bass I caught. You guys saw in the video. I might have to sit a little closer so you guys can see better lighting. Here it is. I bled it out. I washed it. They're nice and dry now. Do you have to bleed it? No, it depends on you if you like fishier, bloodier taste fish. Power to you, okay? I don't care what you do, but I bled them. I kept them nice and cool, and this is how you're gonna prep them. Easy, okay? Very, very easy, all right? Like I said, I just washed them and everything. They're nice and clean. Now all you're gonna do, all you have to do, fire nice and hot. It's turning white, so that's good. Put this guy on the side here on the napkin real quick. It's not touching the ground, don't worry. All you have to do is grab the aluminum foil and just wrap it up, okay? Very, very easy. Before you wrap it, make sure you put a ton of salt, okay? A ton of salt. Lots and lots of salt. You see that? Cover it with salt, even in the mouth if you want to, okay? Cover the fish with salt, okay? Do that right there. Just get that blood stain out. Like you literally drown it with salt. Okay, the entire fish. So what happens is that when you put it in the fire, the salt becomes really hard. It sticks onto the meat, the skin, and you can brush the salt off too. So it's not like you're gonna eat the salt with it, but just know that, okay? Again, some more salt, just to make a nice coated salted layer, just like that. So now the fish is nice and coated. Go ahead and throw this on here. Make it wrap it nice and tight, okay? That way no salt, no heat is coming out of it. Nice and tight. Alright. Go. This part here. I'm gonna make sure I got it nice and tight, okay? This fish is a little bigger than normal, so I don't care too much about the tail. Make it nice and tight and compress. Alright. Fish number 1. I'm gonna do them together, that way I can time them correctly. You don't have to be careful with the salting at all, right? Just like that. Tons of salt. We got 2 salted white bass going on the grill, okay? I'm just gonna drop this in there. Just like that, alright? I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. And you know, while I'm waiting for this fish to cook up a little bit, just know that you can only do this to the fish when it's caught the same day. Cook the fish within at least, I say at least, the 4 or 5 hours that you caught it, because that way it will just taste that much better, okay? No, you don't have to gut it. No, you don't have to do anything to it besides bleeding it, okay? Even then, you don't have to, but me, I still bleed my fish just to get all the mercury and the blood and stuff like that out of the fish itself. But overall, no, you don't have to do anything special. You just literally just what I just showed you guys. Aluminum foil, a ton of salt, wrap it up nice and tight, put it on the grill, and just cook it, drink, hang out. And when it's ready, it's nice and fresh. It's amazing, guys. I can't wait to show you guys. And on top of that, you get pepper too. Pepper just makes it that much better. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook it, flip it, cook it, and flip it. You guys know the drill of grilling, and I'll see you guys when it's ready. All right, so I brought the DSLR out. I'm trying to hurry up before it starts raining. It got really gloomy out, as you guys see there. So far, it's good. It's cooking really nice. Let's see. Ooh, it smells nice. You guys see that right there? It smells really good. Nice and hardened, right? You know it's ready when this salt right here is really hard, where you can start scraping it. But right now, I should have never opened it, but so far it's looking good, smelling fresh. It doesn't smell like dead fishy or anything like that. It smells awesome, guys. So I can't wait to show you guys. Just hang tight, alright? Just check up on it real quick. It should be ready. It doesn't take too long to cook, okay? You're not going to eat the organs or anything like that. Oh, it just breaks right. I got to show you all this. This is what I'm talking about right here, guys. Sorry, it's a little steamy, but the skin just breaks right off, right? Now look at the meat. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my, dude, that smells amazing. The aroma of the salt, the skin and everything just, oh my gosh. Whew. It smells so good, it's so fresh. So here it is. See how flaky that is? It smells so good. Oh my gosh. It tastes so good by itself already. It's moist. It's firm at the same time. I just can't wait. Gotta get rid of this bone. I can't wait to put some spice on it. But just by itself, it's delicious, guys. Absolutely delicious. So fresh. It's not fishy by all means. Like, yeah, you could taste the white bass in it, but that's the best part about white bass. Like, this part right here, I gotta hide my face so I focus. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Here's the pepper. Absolutely delicious. Put some pepper in it. Unfreaking believable. So good. Oh my gosh. Get more. So when you cook it like this, the bone literally falls right off. See that? Everything just comes right off. Put that right there on the ground. Clean out later. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in, guys. I just can't wait. I'm so hungry. Like I said, so simple, but yeah, so good. The pepper. Oh. And it's not salty at all, guys. Not salty. Oh, gosh, so good. My stomach is growling while I'm eating this. So tasty. So yeah, guys, I feel like you guys got the idea of what I'm doing here. Absolutely simple and delicious. Like, so good. Like, you just can't beat it. Fresh fish onto the grill. Look at this. Woo! It's hot, but with the pepper, amazing. If you guys like to see more of this stuff, hit the like, comment down below, share it. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm going to enjoy myself. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the river. Peace.